Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine and safe. Yes, so here we will start a video, and in this video I'm going to give you the job details, notification, exam pattern and syllabus of LIC ADO examination. Now LIC ADO is a sales administrative job and candidates are assigned to the post of the Apprentice Development Officer, which is the ADO, and are responsible for recruiting people as LIC insurance agents and inspecting existing policies. Life Insurance Corporation of India is a reputed insurance group company and an investment company. Many candidates appear for various LIC examinations to get selected in this industry. As you know, recruitment to the post of an ADO is done through LIC ADO exam conducted by the corporation. Candidates who are willing to apply for other government examinations can also refer for this video because the exam pattern and syllabus is more or less same. Examination name is Life Insurance Corporation of India Apprentice Development Officer, which is the LIC ADO. Conducting body is Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC. The exam level is national. Exam frequency is conducted once in a year. The exam mode is online. Exam duration is prelims will have 1 hour. For mains examination, you will be having 2 hours. Languages in English, Hindi. Examination fees for general and OBC rupees 600. For scheduled caste or scheduled tribe rupees 50. Exam purpose to appoint Apprentice Development Officer ADO. Exam website is licindia.in. LIC ADO eligibility, talking about this, the candidates need to fulfill some of the eligibility criteria to get selected as an Apprentice Development Officer. The LIC ADO eligibility criteria is discussed in this video, so you can refer to this. Age limit, the candidates willing to appear for this examination should not be less than 21 years of age and not more than 30 years. The experience required, the experience required for requirements for the post of this post, that is the LIC ADO, are discussed in this video, that is LIC employee, LIC ADO recruitment urban, LIC experience required is minimum 3 years of service in grade 3 post, LIC agent, LIC ADO recruitment urban, minimum experience of 5 years as an agent or as a DSE or FSE. LIC ADO recruitment rural has got an experience of minimum 4 years as an agent or as a DSE or FSE. Others, preference would be given to a candidate having a minimum of 2 years of experience in LIC industry. Talking about the age relaxation, the age relaxation of different categories of LIC ADO is discussed in this video, so you can follow this. For general, open market category is 30. For LIC employee, only 42. LIC agent, 40. OBC open market category 33. LIC employee only 45. LIC agent 43. For scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, open market category is 35. LIC employee 47. LIC agent 45. Next, talking about the educational qualification. The candidates must have a bachelor's degree of a university in India or an institute approved for the fellowship of Insurance Institute of India, Mumbai, LIC ADO selection process. Talking about this, the candidates or the applicants willing to appear for this examination are appointed for the post of Apprentice Development Officer, that is the ADO, through LIC ADO examination. LIC conducts this examination and the selection process consists of 3 levels. Firstly, the written or the online test. It is a computer-based online test, which is the CBT, conducted in two phases. That is, phase 1, preliminary examination, and phase 2, having the main examination. After the phase 1 and phase 2 are over, you will have the personal interview followed by the medical test. Next, talking about the LIC ADO prelims exam pattern. The prelims examination has been categorized into two sections. That is the reasoning and the numerical ability and English language. The LIC ADO examination is conducted for three different categories. That is open market, open for all the candidates. Next, LIC employee, open for candidates who are full-time salaried employee of LIC under grade 3. Thirdly, LIC agent, open for candidates who work as agents under Life Insurance Corporation of India. The prelims examination scheme of LIC ADO is mentioned here in this video, so follow this. Reasoning has got total number of 35 questions. The total marks allotted for this is 35 and the time period given is 20 minutes. For numerical ability, total number of questions is 35, total marks allotted is 35 and the time period for this given is 20 minutes. Next, talking of English language, total number of questions for this is 30, total marks allotted is 30 and the time period given for this examination is 20 minutes. So in total, the total number of questions is 100, total marks allotted for this exam is 70, and the time period given to complete the examination is 60 minutes. The marks that will be obtained in the English language will not be considered for the ranking. The preliminary examination is conducted only for the open market category, while the online examination for LIC employees and LIC agent consists of a single phase, that is phase 1, that is the main examination only. LIC ADO mains exam pattern, talking about that. The LIC ADO examination pattern, that is the mains, for different categories are open market category, having reasoning ability and numerical ability. Next, you have the paper 2, comprising of GK or general knowledge, current affairs, and English language. So, for this, the total number of questions that will be asked is 50, and the maximum marks allotted for this examination is 50. The duration of the exam composite, that is in total, you will be getting 120 minutes. Next, you'll have paper 3 comprising of insurance and financial marketing awareness with special emphasis on knowledge of life insurance and financial sector. So the total number of questions from this will be 50. Maximum marks will be 50. The medium of language for answering of the questions for all the categories is either English or in Hindi, except for English language and vocabulary. Also, you can refer to the linked description or the advertisement that is given to know more about the section-wise LIC ADO syllabus. That is there in the official website. Personal interview, the candidates who qualify the cutoff marks in the main examination are called for an interview round, which we call the personal interview. The interview is of 37 marks and includes aptitude-based questions to check the reasoning and thinking capability of the candidate. Next, you will have the medical examination. Before releasing the final merit list, LIC conducts a medical list for the shortlisted candidates if they are fit or not. Only those candidates who are found will be selected for the post of Apprentice Development Officer, which is the ADO. Next, talking about the LIC ADO salary. As per the rules of the corporation, an ADO is provided with a monthly stipend of rupees 34,503, including the HRA and admissible allowances. Basic pay for which is 21,865 per month, pay scale of which is 21865 to 340 for 2, 24545 to 1580 for 2, 27705 to 1610 for 17 years, comprising or making it a total of 55,075 rupees. So the total salary is inclusive of HRA, that is the house rent allowance, and city compensatory allowance will be approximately rupees 37,345 in A class city. Now, how to download the LIC ADO admit card? A very crucial question. LIC ADO admit card is a mandatory document that must be carried by the candidate on the day of the examination. Entry into the examination hall is restricted without the admit card. The LIC ADO admit card for the mains examination was released on 3rd of August 2019. Candidates can follow the following steps for downloading of the admit card. So follow these steps carefully if you want to download your admit card. Firstly, candidates can download the admit card from the official website of Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is the LIC. After opening the home page, click on the careers page. Click on the link admit card download. You will find that option there. So you have to click on that. Enter the registered ID and password provided during the application process. You have to enter that. Next, step 5, click on the submit button. Next, after this, step 6, download the admit card PDF and take a printout of it. LIC ADO preparation, for this I will suggest you, the syllabus for Apprentice Development Officer is comprehensive, and since the examination is not conducted annually, candidates need to do a thorough preparation for this examination. Now here I have given you some of the best preparation tips for LIC ADO exam preparation. Firstly, you should analyze the syllabus and the exam pattern well and accordingly figure out a systematic timetable for yourself. Sufficient time must be dedicated for the preparation of each subject to improve the overall scores. Solving mock tests and practice test papers are very important, and this important tip will help you in achieving the marks or the cracking of the examination of LIC ADO exam. And this is a must that you have to follow. To apprehend the standard of the question paper and the type of questions that are asked in the LIC ADO examination, the best strategy is to refer to the previous year's question papers. Candidates must also review the previous year's cutoff marks to get an estimate of qualified marks or what kind of marks they have given based on their preparation. So if you follow this, I am sure you will be cracking the exam. I have given you all the details about this ADO examination regarding the exam pattern, the syllabus required, how you're going to prepare, what are the exams to be conducted, prelims, main, interview session, medical test, everything is discussed in this video. So this video is a complete one where you will be getting all the details about LIC ADO examination. So if you think you are an eligible candidate and you wish to opt for this job, then definitely this is a great or high time that you will be applying for it. So go grab this opportunity before time runs out. So I wish you all the very best for your career ahead. I'm sure you'll come out with flying colors and have a great successful career. So ending my video here, thank you for patiently hearing me out for so long. Thank you so much and stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.